Janu Pakhair Adab, Assalamu alaikum. A very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? This is Rafa Khan yet again here with the fantastic, fabulous, fun-filled, amazing video. Tell me, मेरी सखियां, दोस्तें, बहनें, हमजोलियां, खालाएं, मामियां, चाचियां, भाभियां, क्या हाल चाल हैं? How are you all? How is life treating you all? I believe and I hope life is treating you amazing. You guys are enjoying all the bounties of life. You guys are just having all the fabulous blessings of Lord in your life, and you are celebrating yourself, and you are feeling very grateful and showing gratitude to everyone, because life is beautiful, as I always mention, and we have so many things around us to be thankful for. And if you guys are wondering, why am I all set with my tunic, Sephora tunic, and all set for the work? What happened, my dear viewers and my dear friends, my dear sisters, today I just listened to a pod talk and I felt, oh my God, I have to share this with all of you guys, because that was a moment I just felt there are so many things which were always mingling in my head, which were giving me different ideas. But that pod talk just put everything in proper frame, and here I am with you. So listen to the story very carefully, and don't worry, we will be talking about lots of lovely skincare. Today I will be showcasing a new skin brand which Sephora doesn't carry, but I have experienced it. It's a wonderful brand and a wonderful product as well to share with you all. So stay tuned. Let's begin with our today's message or today's little story. So think of a zoo and think of a cute little baby elephant. So what happens with those baby elephants when they are like in their childhood, when they have a little smaller size, what they do, they just have a chain around their like foot. Okay, they just wrap a chain over there. So as they grow older, of course, their size gets bigger and bigger, and they start making that chain little looser so they can move around. And eventually, one day when they turn into a big, thick, large elephant, they remove that chain. They unlock that chain. But the funny fact, the interesting part or the twist of the story is, now the elephant is free from that chain. There is no lock. He can move around. He can do whatever he wants to. But in his head, he has still that chain. So he just thinks that he still doesn't have that freedom. He's still locked, and he's still like kind of in a cage or in that thing. And that's the mindset the whole life elephant carries in his head. He always thinks that he still have that chain, but the chain has been removed so long back. His whole actions are still with the same mindset. So what is the essence of this little story? The essence of this little story is, my friends, in our life, we have certain beliefs for ourselves. We have certain things in our mind. We have certain boundaries, certain restrictions, certain barriers, which always make us think, no, we cannot go beyond that. Or we think, no, we are not good enough to do that. Or we think that, no, this is not for us. Or this is the limitation. Wake up. Just change the number of your glasses and think like this way. No one is stopping you from doing anything. No one is saying that this is the utmost you can go. You cannot go beyond that. Girl, this is not the fact. This is all your own mindset. This is all your own brains, your limitation, your own thinking process. In reality, Allah Ta'ala has given you all possible gadgets to just do whatever you like or whatever you want. The only thing you have to remember is what intention you have behind that cause or that motive or that passion. You just have to have that inner fire in yourself to push you, and no one can stop you. There are no boundaries for anything except yourself. You have to come out of that box where everything is like, no entry, I cannot do that, I'm not good. No, there is nothing like that. And I strongly believe it's just all about our mindset. If we have good heart, if we have strong intentions, without any illness, without any negativity, we are clear with our thought process, we are clear with our goals, sky is the limit. No one is stopping you. You are really enough for yourself. You just need to work hard. You just need to have faith on yourself, and then voila, all the miracles will be in front of you. Look at those beautiful roses. My God, I'm in love with that. So many things to be grateful, small things, big things. The moment I'm sharing with you, this is the biggest, I feel, moment of gratitude for me, where I'm sitting in my lounge, I'm all ready to go to my work, I just had my coffee, and I'm just sharing this inner feeling because I believe, I have a strong faith that talk has completely changed my mood in the morning. And I hope this little effort will also make a difference in your life, and you will realize that life is too short to be worried about things. Life is too short to be thinking that we cannot do it, or we are lacking in something. Everyone has something in their selves, in their personality. They just need to find that something. They just have to turn the page, and then life will be absolutely different, because life has been designed for you to be happy, to be grateful, to be achieving your goals. Allah Ta'ala hasn't designed this world to make you depressed. No, it's not there. It's just in your head. So just do the Viper. Hello, wake up, girls. Put some red lips on, and then here we go. I'm feeling so happy to be with you all and to sharing all this inner feeling. Now, let's go back to our product knowledge. So today we are talking about these 3 products. If you guys can notice, this one is from a different brand, Eminence. So we will be talking about this cleanser, we will be talking about this gentle exfoliant, and we will be talking about the Good Genes. What is common in all those products? All of these products has AHA, which is your lactic acid. So they all have lactic acid, and I don't want to repeat myself what lactic acid do for you. Lactic acid helps with brightness. Lactic acid helps with your pore sizes, with fine lines, with wrinkles. So all those beautiful things can be achieved by lactic acid. This guy is very beautiful. Like, I'm currently using this cleanser. This cleanser has magnesium flower extracts as well, and it does have, let me have my glasses, you know, struggle of my life. It also has some red clover flower extracts and rib hose from corn seed. These 2 ingredients really help, not just with hydration and moisture and brightening. They also stimulate new skin cells. They also helps with new production of collagen and elastin. It's a very gentle, milky cleanser. It removes off all the dead skin cells, but also helps with the glow. So the second product is Strawberry Rhubarb Dermafoliant. This is an everyday exfoliant which you can easily use for a removal of the dead skin cells. You just have to add this, like it's a powder. You will add some water, and then voila, you have a beautiful hydrated glowy skin. And the third product, which I can never ever think of losing, is my Good Genes. Good Genes has a professional grade lactic acid. I'm a huge fan of lactic acid, and if you guys are thinking what is the basic difference between lactic and glycolic acid, glycolic acid is a little bigger, like little smaller molecular sizes, which means it is more potent and going in a deeper skin layers, which is a good thing. But at the same token, if you have a sensitive skin, you might not like that. So you might want to go with something gentle, which you can be able to use every day. So big hip for lactic acid. Don't be scared of using it. The only thing I want you to be little mindful is when you are using this, when you are using this, and when you are using this, these all together would be too much. So try to pick only 2 products from them on an everyday basis, and then use one product as your treatment once a week. Okay, so that was all about our skincare products: lactic acid, cleanser, serum. Oh yeah, this is a serum. Remember, serums have deeper penetration in the skin, and because we have already cleansed our skin with a good cleanser, gentler cleanser, having so many healthy, skin-loving ingredients, so your serum will be performing even better. Yes, so that was all up for today. And then, as always, I mentioned, life is too short. इसको कतरा कतरा रही तो ये बिंदास होके जिए, खुश होके जिए. It's a one-time opportunity, girl. No U-turns. So क्यों इसको हम गमज़दा होके गुजारें? अपनों से प्यार करें, स्प्रेड लव, माफ़ कर दें, अपने आप को माफ़ कर दें, अपनी बहुत सारी गलतियों पे जो हम एक लर्निंग प्रोसेस में सीखते आते हैं और पीछे मुड़कर देखते हैं तो लगता है कि ओह माय गॉड, हाउ कैन आई डू दैट? अगर हमने किया और वो करना ज़रूरी था, क्योंकि अगर हम वो नहीं करते तो हम आज यहाँ नहीं बैठे होते. इसलिए खुशबाश रहिए. जिंदगी टू स्मॉल, टू शॉर्ट, जिसमें हम रोएं धोएं और याद रखें हमें. कुछ लोग दुनिया में ऐसे होते हैं जिनकी they live like 80 years, they have 80 years like what do you call lifespan, मगर unfortunately they just give up life in their 20s, so they are dead at the age of 20, but the bodies are on this planet till age of 80. Don't be in those ones. If Allah Ta'ala has provided you days, months, years, there is a reason behind it. Just try to find that reason. The best reason can anyone have in this world is to spread happiness, to spread positivity, and to lead a meaningful life. So that's all for today. Hey Sara Pyar, hey Sai Duan, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being with me in my journey, for taking time out and listening to me, listening to my passion for skincare, for life. And inshallah we'll meet up soon. Till that time, lots of love, care, prayers. Mwah.